update for my 2019 temperature blanket. So it is currently May. This is going to be kind of my April update. I think I did an update for March, so I'm just going to update, or it's going to be like an April-May update because it's like the end of May. But I just finished February, so I'm caught up to February for my temperature blanket. I'm really behind, and I really want to just start doing May because May's been super pretty because I have a lot of oranges and pinks and reds now because the temperature is getting a little bit warmer, and I want to like get into those colors already, so I really do need to catch up. I think maybe later tonight I'll watch some Netflix and get some catching up done because I have to go through March and April and May now. But I'm really excited that we're like close to the halfway point because starting the beginning of July I'll be able to start decreasing. Yes, because right now it is a pain because I'm doing like so many like squares. There's like there's so many and it takes forever to do. But luckily I've been being good and I've been weaving in my ends, so I really only have like 4 strings hanging right now because I just recently caught up to there, so I will have to weave those in a little bit, but yeah, I'm pretty caught up with that, so that's good. And it's getting big. It's only 2 months and it's pretty huge, so oops. But yeah, I'm excited to get caught up with this. So I've been watching Good Trouble, which is a spinoff of The Fosters, and I've been enjoying that, so maybe I'll catch up on that because I'm only on like episode 4. So maybe I'll catch up on that later tonight and work on this temperature blanket because that sounds like it'll be a fun thing to do. So pretty, like just looking at it like from here in the viewfinder, like it just looks so pretty, and I'm excited to see what it looks like when we get a little bit further down the road. But yeah, that's where I am with this. Let me know, are you guys caught up with your temperature blankets? Are you even making a temperature blanket? I'm just always forever behind because theoretically, if I caught up, I could crochet a line a day, but I don't do that. I just let it sit in the corner and I don't catch up, which I should really catch up because I want to update you guys better. But yeah, I did finish February, so that's good. Made a little bit of progress. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have so far. Pretty big, as you can see. It's about like half my size already, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a lot of purples and blues right now. There is a little bit of yellow and green too. But yeah, it's been very cold obviously for January and February. So yeah, that is my update for my temperature blanket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I promise hopefully next time, crossing my fingers for my June update, I'm caught up. We're gonna try to catch up. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. But yeah, bye.